The XTRONs 19.5-inch car overhead monitor uses an in-car Android system with an octa-core processor, generous memory, and wireless connectivity, so passengers can stream or download their favorite apps and media without extra devices. Its wide 19.5-inch high-definition panel with in-plane switching and modern high dynamic range support delivers vivid color, strong contrast, and wide viewing angles that work well in larger cabins like vans, motorhomes, and coaches. Support for 8K video along with 4K, 2K, and full high-definition formats means this roof-mounted screen handles very high-resolution files smoothly, which keeps fast action movies and games looking clean and fluid. Multiple inputs including high-definition multimedia interface, universal serial bus, composite video, and screen mirroring make it easy to hook up phones, game systems, cameras, or other sources so everyone has something to watch or play. Built-in stereo speakers provide clear sound on their own, while Bluetooth and infrared audio options let you send sound to the car system or wireless headphones to keep the cabin flexible and quiet. The flip-down design feels purpose-built for permanent installation, and the manufacturer backs it with a year of support, which adds some peace of mind for a fairly advanced in-car entertainment upgrade.